All right, everybody. Happy Martin Luther King Day, by the way. And today I actually created my first GPT using the GPT tutorials that Charles has put together. And I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with this. This is an opportunity to make money with what you create. And it's not that difficult to do. Unlike, let's say, the Apple App Store, we had to be able to program an app. In this here, you basically just have to be able to know what it is you want to have as an outcome and understand how things work, but you don't need super advanced knowledge in order to do this. And so what I created for my first GPT that I'm going to put into the store later on, once I kind of refine it a little bit, is the video SEO wizard that you can see on the right-hand side of the screen here. And you can say expert in diverse YouTube content and SEO. And you can see the main prompts that are at the bottom here are help me SEO my video, help me SEO a local business video, create a powerful thumbnail for my video, and generate an attention-grabbing title. There's also some other things in here as well, like generate keywords for me and things like that. But what we're going to stick with is these two well, first of all, this one here that creates the thumbnail, that's actually done with DALL-E, and it does okay. We're going to have to refine that a little bit, but it's better than having no thumbnail at all. DALL-E still has issues with text, so make sure that whatever you create in there that you double check the text and tell it to fix it if there's an issue, because I had one that had some misspellings and things like that. But anyway, these are the more powerful of the tools here, the SEO and the local business SEO. These are mostly the same, except that the local SEO one has a lot more questions in it, and I may even adopt a few other things into there as well. Obviously, grabbing a title, you can do that here, but this is actually going to grab a title for you as well. So we're going to click on this here, and it's going to ask me some questions. Okay, let's give this a second to write it out here. Okay, so you can see it's asking different questions in here, like business name and details, the name of the business and any relevant details about your services or products, video content, a brief overview of what the video is about, keywords, website URL and phone number, social media links and Google Business Profile, if available, chapters. So this is going to allow you to put some of the chapters in there. So if you have in your video areas that you want to put in as chapters, you put that there. Customer reviews, if you have any links to specific customer reviews, please share. Any other specific information such as the location of the business, special offers, etc. Now, the funny thing about this is it changes the questions a little bit each and every time. And I'm going to try to see if there's a way to make that be exactly the same every time. Like, for instance, here, business name and details. What it said last time was just business name, and then it had details as a different question. So it had 11 questions last time. It refined it down to 8 questions. So we're going to see how it does here. And so let me fill this in, and I won't make you sit here and watch me type, so give me a second. Okay, so I've filled out the information here, and you can see I put the name and a bit of information. I put the what the video is about. I put some keywords. I put in the link to the website and the phone number. I put the social media and the Google Business Profile link, chapter information. Basically, I just put what I would want some of the chapters to be. And I put in links to some 5-star reviews and the address. So let's see how this does. All right, so that's pretty darn good. Beginner's Guide to Escape Rooms, Impossible Escape Loganville. So that's basically what I told it to do there. The description starts with the title and then has the link and the phone number, a bit of information about the video itself. You got the chapters. You got information about the business. You got the actual name, address, and phone number and website. So that's going to be great for Google Business Profiles. We got the links to social media and to the Google Maps. This is something really good because when I first tried it, it would try to make anchor text, which of course YouTube doesn't do that. So I told it don't do anchor text, and so it spells out the entire websites with the links there, which is fantastic. Some 5-star reviews, and then some hashtags. I mean, that is fantastic, and this does 2 things. One, it's a whole lot faster than typing it all up yourself, even though you have to answer those questions. And also, if you're not somebody who does YouTube SEO, normally you don't do much of anything, well, this puts it all together for you so that you've got all this in here. There's a couple things I'm going to add to this. Like down here it says the description includes all the necessary SEO elements. I do want to put some more information in here so that, for instance, when they get to this part here, they know that like the chapters, they're going to have to go in and put in the correct times. So let them know that, because let's say your video is only 3 minutes long. Obviously the chapters, they just kind of made up times for the chapters because it doesn't know. So we do want to put some information like that. But this is really, really good. I'm very, very excited about this. And if we go back out to our video SEO wizard here, you can see, help me with my SEO. In this one here, very similar type of thing, except this time it's not going to ask for all that business info. Okay, so great. Let's start with a few questions. So in this case here, it's going to ask me for the video content and target audience. So again, it might be whatever it's about and who it helps, So it could be, this is going to be a plumbing video that teaches you how to unstop a drain for the average homeowner, something like that. Channel or business details. So this channel is about plumbing and how to fix things. Social media links, obviously that's what it is. Viewer direction link. So this is where you want to send people. So this would be the website link here. And then some SEO keywords and boom, it's done. And again, you put in that information, it's going to fill it out for you. And it's going to give you the SEO'd results that you might not be able to generate yourself. Now, a couple things that I do want to add to this, and I think I did it on this one, but I haven't done it on the local one, is to tell it to use more of the 5,000 characters that you can use in that. So other than that, this is fantastic. I'm really impressed by what Charles has put together, because I've created something that can now make me money, and I've done it very, very quickly. So hopefully the GPT store turns out to be as powerful and as popular as some of the other stores that have come out lately, or things like YouTube where you can get paid for putting up videos. Well, now you can create these types of things, and as people use them, you're going to get paid. Love it. Fantastic. So check it out. If you got any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you soon.